it's Gina with Dancing Daisy Designs, and today is the IOD holiday release for 2024, and I have all of the items that are being released for you in this video up close and personal so you can see every page and know exactly what's out there. But first I'm going to show you what's coming, just like a quick preview. We have got 4 brand new transfers, and yes, one of them is a gold foil transfer, all in the 8x12 format. There are 6 brand new molds, yes, 6, and they're all really good. You're gonna love these for Christmas, and there's even one for autumn in there. There are 4 brand new stamp sets, and they're all really, really good, really good. And last but not least, one very awesome paint inlay. So let's take a quick look at all of those up close and let me know what you think down in the comments. Let's start out first with the 4 brand new stamps. The first one is called Frosty Sweet Shop, and this is the cutest. I absolutely love the cute little snowmen all wrapped up with their hats, and they got their little arms, so cute. And then who doesn't love a candy cane for a Christmas decor? These are so pretty. I love the vintage style of these. And we've got the larger profile candy cane with the curve, so you can make cute borders with this. The Frosty Sweet Shop signage is so precious, so pretty. And then that holly is gorgeous. I absolutely love that. And the example that they did here for us using the different colored inks really shows you like the versatility that you can get. You could do a black and white project, or you can bring in the color. It's so pretty. Next, we have vintage snowflakes, and this one is just beautiful. The array of the snowflakes in here is beautiful. They've got all different kinds of sizes, so you could use them for so many different projects. And the lightness of the snowflake is just so pretty. I really, really like this one. And I like doing paper crafts, and I can see this for my paper craft projects as well as decor. Third, we have Winter Forest, and Winter Forest is beautiful Christmas trees, but even more than that, like I feel like these could be used for just winter decor, period. We've got 7 different trees here, and you could always, like, if you don't like the height of a tree, you could always alter that by just like cutting it off a little shorter and moving the trunk up. They had that in mind the way they created these, so make it very simple to do that. Just an idea for scale, all of the stamp sets are 12 by 12. So the largest tree on here is 10 inches and the smallest one is 4 inches. And I love the example that they gave here showing the trees, how that they did them lighter to make them look further away and kind of snowy, and then like a little darker close up. That just shows the versatility of what you can do with a stamp. Love this one. The last stamp set is called Classical Christmas, and it is just that, very classical with the Renaissance feel here. We've got beautiful little cherub angel babies, and we've got, again, with the beautiful holly and the berries. There's some delicate like swag type of things, and just so many possibilities with that. I love that one of the little cherubs has the horns, that they're blowing the horns. There's some foliage in here. This one's just really pretty. And again, with IOD hitting right on the mark for the go-between with the paper crafts as well as the decor and the Christmas element in there is so perfect. The little tag, I mean, I could see so many different ways to do tags with these stamp sets. So good. Next, let's move on to our 4 brand new transfers. The first one I'm going to show you is the next release in our brand new gold gilded foil transfer line, and this one is called Tinsel, and this one has 8 by 12 sheets in this transfer. So this is the smaller format of the transfers. These pages are just beautiful. We've got beautiful snowflakes. We've got a ton of cool nameplates so you can make tags, and they look great on your decor as well. Look at that background landscape with the trees. I love that. And then of course, like holly, you've got to have the holly. We've got angels. We have got pine cones, plenty of foliage. Love that. And then we've got these beautiful music sheets that are perfect for backgrounds, or they look great just stand alone. Like imagine just like doing this on a black background and framing it for Christmas. How cute would that be? And then we've got just like an array of Christmas words here that you could cut out, and you can make them say all kinds of different things that you would like, along with some background gold. And I have to say the gold looks so good. It looks so good. I love these new transfers on candles. Look at this example of it on candles. It looks so good on candles. I'm doing this year. I'm going to put this on my candles. And then this tray and the way that they just stressed it to age it. Oh, it looks so good with the gold. I'm just telling you, I'm in love with this gold, especially for the holiday season. Our next transfer is called Kitschy Christmas. This is an 8-page, 8 by 12 inch transfer. And the beautiful retro in here, oh my goodness. Look at all of these cute little animals and the candies and the little Cupid dolls. This really brings me back to my childhood, going to my grandparents' house. I would see this kind of things all over the house. And IOD did not disappoint with the coloring, and the variety here for kitsch is so good. I love that they put some florals in here, and the little animals. Who doesn't love the little animals? They are so precious. And the examples, oh my gosh, they take me back. This is so retro. If you're into retro, this is for you. The third transfer is called Yuletide, and this is an 8-sheet, 8 by 12 transfer set. And it has kind of like that woodland feel. The colors are beautiful. It's kind of like a watercolor-esque type of feel. And look at those cute little animals. I mean, who doesn't love the little animals? And then we've got the cardinals and the little squirrel. I love that they put birds in here, lots of birds, because everybody loves the birds. Of course, you have to have Santa. We've got some woodland fairies. I love that. I like fairies, so I am super happy about that. Of course, we've got Christmas trees, some different type of like garland, nameplate type of things as well for tags. Also super cute for name tags for the table. And then the examples here, of course, they did Christmas ornaments because it's Christmas, and these are so perfect for all types of Christmas ornaments. And then again, a wonderful example with a transfer on a candle. I'm so in love with that idea. And then we've got the beautiful designs here in the frames, kind of putting like a collage Christmas scene together here. So pretty. The last transfer in this release is called Crimson Velvet, and it's also an 8-page, 8 by 12 inch transfer set. And I love the moodiness of this one. Look at that kitty with the bow. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. The vibrancy of the colors on here just speaks to the dramatic moodiness of this and all of the different gorgeous elements. I love the antlers. I love the bright red bows, the books. So pretty. They really thought this one out when they were going with like this dramatic aesthetic here. So good. And I love that they put like a full page beautiful vintage Christmas tree on here. That is so pretty. And then of course we've got beautiful ornaments done here. And then we've got this dramatic art wall with the beautiful gold frames. So pretty for Christmas. There is one beautiful paint inlay in this release, and it is called Gloria. Gloria is 8 pages, 12 by 16, so this is the full size. And it's kind of like a deep charcoal color, and there are so many beautiful elements in here. It kind of has like a bougie, intricate French feel to it, and you've got all of the beautiful, like I think like a Renaissance feel of Christmas in here. So many perfect elements. I am in love with these wreaths on this page, and the Christmas tree is just like so authentic. I love that. And of course, they threw in a couple of awesome autumn pages here, so you can still get some autumn fun. And so this is like a multi-holiday paint inlay here. And then, oh my gosh, these examples, you guys, I think these are so beautiful. I wish those were mine. Like, I want them in my house. They are so pretty. And then look at how good they look in these frames with just the charcoal color in the gold frame. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Now let's move on to our 6 new molds. The first mold is called Autumn Cottage, and this is a beautiful fall mold, and I love the size of the pumpkin on this one. I think it is so perfect for decor. And then we've got the cute wheat and the little puffy foliage and the leaves on this one. Oh my gosh, these leaves, they can be used for so many different things. I am in love with the leaves. That is my favorite part of this one. This next one is called Santa's Sleigh, and I think this is so much fun. This is a beautiful vintage style sleigh, and we've got a vintage style Santa driving the sleigh, and we've got filled with all kinds of beautiful presents. We've got a reindeer. You could make as many reindeer as you need to pull your sleigh. And then we've got an array of other presents that you could put around or use for different projects. And I think this one is so much fun, and the detail is gorgeous. I mean, you could see the hair on the reindeer. It is beautiful, and it's textured and so good. The next mold we have is called Angelic Tapers, and this is so beautiful and classic. When you think about Christmas ornaments, you think of like the icicle ones, but like the really intricate, and these are beautiful. The faces and the feathers and just like the detail on the taper coming down is so beautiful. I feel like in addition to like casting these with the paper clay and painting them, you could also do like neat resin with these, and you can make them look kind of like clear, like icicle-y kind of. I think that would be so much fun. And here we have our next one with more tapers, because the angel tapers were so awesome. We've got to have Santa, we've got to have a snowman, and of course you have to have gorgeous stars for Christmas. We can't forget the stars. This set is called Christmas Tapers, and I think between this and the angels, you could create like a really nice set of ornaments for your tree. And like I was saying for the angels too, these would be so pretty done in like a clear resin and then hung in the window. This next one is called Bibelots, and this is going to be a very, very popular mold because it is just simple and plain ornament mold. This mold is gorgeous. We've got 4 different types of ornaments and a beautiful nameplate here. The ornaments are textured, so that's a lot of fun. When you paint it, you can get like a vintage look, or you can even get like a glittered type of look really easy with that. And I didn't even mention anything about the tops on these ornaments. They really did a great job with the vintage intricacy for the little toppers where that you put the string in. That is going to look so sweet with these. And clear resin, oh my gosh, clear resin with all kinds of little like thingies in there would be so pretty. The last mold in this release is called Les Cloches, and this is a 3 cloche set on this mold, and they have made it so that you can do some switching around on these. You could switch some of the bases around and the toppers to make it more fun. And this set is the only item in this release that is not a limited release item. So this will be available all the time. It's not going to go away after the holiday release is sold out. This is also symmetrical, so you can do a front and a back side on this very easily. Again, with the clear resin on this, I've seen some people do some testers where that they've used clear resin and they've put like little bugs or plant life type of things inside of there. It looks very pretty, or just beautifully with the painted and then using a transfer on it looks great as well. So what do you guys think? Do you love this holiday release or what? Just a quick reminder that all of the items in this release are limited release for the holiday. So limited release 2024 items, all except for the Les Cloches mold. Everything else, limited edition. If you don't get it before it's sold out, then it's gone forever. So make sure that if there are things in here that you have to have, that you get them now. Don't wait. Don't take the chance. Get them while they're hot. So please comment down below and let me know which items are your favorite in this release. I would love to know. I already have an idea of which ones are going to be my favorites, but sometimes they can surprise you. So I kind of want to know what you guys think too. So let me know in the comments below. If you need any of these items, you can find them all at dancingdaisydesigns.com or locally at Casabella Home Decor or Antique World Mall. And I'm going to be making some videos showing you the different things that I'm going to make with these new products. So please stay tuned to my channel and make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss those. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm just a one-woman business here doing my best to do all of the things. So every single time that you like and subscribe to my channel and watch a video, it helps me out so much, and I really appreciate every single one of you. So thank you for that. I'm also on social media. You can find me on Instagram, and you can also find me on Facebook, and it's Dancing Daisy Designs there as well. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.